Honorable Yenshe Mebunu, and your passion that says Ghana first. The Antina, the Bia Casanya, also Ghana first, and the youth. Ghana first, the youth.
Medewase. O mind Bia, ni mind, money man for any do, any tema, and you're proud, say, Omo, free circle, or mine, and ye. Look, when we are talking to an American, even Ghana near Wakwaye American citizen, is so proud to hold American passport. Ghana, Monradi, bogus decisions, and I wonder those who sit there and take such decisions. Say a whole Ghana passport. Musi yakotwa baye mi enfa Ghana passport nto. We've lost our identity to national identification. What?
So you are against this?
I am against it. I am against it. I am against it. Say a whole nationality. A dear Nachimima me who said me a Ghana ni. I am a passport. Now we are saying, say, we will not even be allowed to use our passport because certain number of people are Ghanaians are holding it. The same applies to national identification. A lot of people are holding it. Ghana for. What you say? So Ghana first means we have to be proud. Say you're Ghanaians. So we are proud of Ghana. Ghana Krono. Ube you yem ayejuma. And what I stand for, because Ghana first now will work. P, patriotism. H, honesty. And D, discipline.
So that's the PhD.
Yes, if you love Ghana, and we be Ghana first, this three is enshrined here. Your fourth one, but I know the beba, from pragmatism. But now all the Kamwa and money yet till my short term PhD. Ghana first because Uko Germans they are proud to be Germans. Holland are proud. Italians are proud. Even Africa here, Nigerians and South Africans, they believe in themselves. What about Ghana? Enam Ejuma Endiha. Enam Ateti Tisania GR for the Yeminti. Ghana ni na Mompeso Abakasu Ghana ni. Because I'm frustrated. So we should prioritize, say, a country, you need baby. Some people have sacrificed their lives in America to make America a better place for yani atisa dan ya usho ye. Nyame ye ya dom kodu America. Ene yabeye odifo. Why can't we do same for our young men and women that are coming? Because why I believe in the youth. Obanyini. Whoever thought say akola na odwaria bontin eti sefie wom. Ene me ba hweni padodo a etwa bontin e kai hu say any child or youth given opportunity will probably do better than Niamaye.
Opportunity.
Yesusano. Me krom me pentokwa ntini afra me say obi kura fi say jema akwa wedi na dwene ni ho. Me ofa bako afa nu wawu. Me na ye kama pa because he was the only person who believed in me. Yeah. Me krom for efni bi me oh wa ma. Just he didn't free Kumasi by no onye papa nti ne ko ne din nti no. You see, through hard work and God's grace. San Mbrantia ni mabawa. If we give them opportunity. Me a champa breso. Miti edibuame. That's why I believe in free SHS. Nana Kufuor. I got the scholarship from that village, remotest year. Na kani ni ho. Ensio ni ho. Ye consume ni akudware. I got the scholarship to go to Adsani College. It's opportunity.
Yeah.
A champion pa. Ni asu e so jani o mu kika ne ho nsɛm tutu ne din bebre. Na no ne nsa no adwuma bi na ti ha ni.
Yes.
Enti akwa na no wote dompem. A yesi na adwene nye no. And our president. Let's give opportunity to the youth. That's why I believe in the youth. Because the future of this country belongs to them. That's it. Monsanti ebiem, ayura husem biem a esiye. Enra. Eye ashama asema esiye me ne committee chairman.
That's right.
Yeshia a soldier from Penfoni minister. Then my wife kept calling. Wafra na me excuse you na me. Meje ya another and guasesem biem ni say. Ghana immigration akosti plant ho India for no a womu fixing machines Roma kochi wo.
Ha. Jesus Christ.
Na Agyapong po a wo ye MPP empanfo yi bi mponi o. Na ordinary Ghanaian. So I know the problems Ghanaian businesses are going through. I know why we are not doing well as a nation. Because a country where we only give priority to foreigners against our own citizens, that must change.
Honorable Shese Tinubu, Nigeria for to Ababano, and now call Olumelu, the Nigerian mogul,
Right.
Okosrano, or call Munyinaso, president-elect, no.
Yes.
Or call Olumelu, Akoda Nina Akosran, he spent a night with him. Obeso who adia, obe take you over, obe timayamano. Wakaso obeko dangote ho, obeko otedolo, wako dangote, wako almost omo yem penifo omo employ Nigerians mo jumano. The president-elect has visited all of them. What is this?
Last week, because the one your friend say, Omo nyalete say, Ghana revenue say, Omo de Oma komye besi ho. I shall fish to do a meton a day. Oh yeah. And let me state it clearly. Me matra ehunahuna. They cannot, I repeat, they cannot use the system to intimidate me. Now it's so sad for me to make this statement. Here, Rollins Abreso, Bibi Ajuma, President Kufu Abreso, Bibi Ajuma, Atamos Abreso, Bibi Ajuma, Eya Mahama Abreso, Bibi Ajuma. I never went through any of this harassment. I'm sad. I have to tell you the truth. I have never gone through harassment and intimidation as a Kufuado government. I'm a MP for 6 consecutive terms. Me be a Juma. Na me say Juma. Obi a meti obi comment say ni mados into ombefun. Me baby a mammy a president I will go and work for me. I have a lot of businesses for them to work.
To baby any no.
No. But this is the frustration I'm going through for setting up businesses to create employment.
For Ghanaians.
Yes. So, businessmen, any woman say, minimum woman here say, because I'm going through it. I'm going through it. And yet, top here, I cover bar, and then come away.
Yeah.
Because I'll face them squarely. And the sad part is, more Ghana revenue for. Momo Jiji bribe. Omo ya me there omo. May expose to Ghana revenue because we should not be intimidated by any institution in this country. We should not. Institutions should work. Systems should work. We don't have a problem. But say what Ghana for? Utu enisi u Ghana for so be guo mojuma. What kind of people and black people yeah. Momo di adwuma ma obi a omo wo office building bi a omo si wo kanda ho. Contractors they charge them 10%. Ghana revenue. Adi a me be ye wo mo. Omo fi say may be pre-president inti and say hunu e koso amenka meka upa men to mame because I'll live for the rest of my life and I stand for the youth of this country because the future belongs to them. If we allow these things to go on, there is no future for any young man. If we allow these things to go on, there's no future for business people, Ghanaians. Mimiti ho. Opinion Indian is able to call custom commissioner. I don't even know the custom commissioner's number. And I don't intend to know.
Okay.
Because